could do better with each other, it's more difficult apart. I'm not focused on what's different, I just listen to my heart. I could see from the start these times were worth remembering, but trying to spend more time in the present, less November-ing, or looking for better things. What's better than right now, gonna make it last forever, on a quest to learn how. I know the source of the energy, the thing that sets me free. Use that creativity. There's only so much time to be. I'm on a search for higher purpose, divine purification, trying to clear away the fog, do away with inebriation, learning to be patient, leave emotions as I take them. Only human to have feelings, you accept that you can't shake them. Wanna break all of the rules, do it on my way, but everything my way seems to be what the rules say. Guess it's part of growing up, I just hope there's still time to play. Jamming in the sky is where we'll be at the end of the day. I know the source of the energy, thing that sets me free. Use that creativity. There's only so much time to be. Ooh.